Do you go with YouTube? Comes the thought too. Well, today is a bit different from the lights and festivities of the city yesterday, and I think it's just about to start to rain. Oh, actually, while I'm looking at it, it's an awful lot worse than I thought it was. My camera had its first fall yesterday on O'Connell Street, and it could have been an awful lot worse because there was a bus coming, but I managed to scoop it up and get off the road before the bus hit me. But yeah, no, it seems to have one or two little itty bitty dents in it, and now it's going to get rained on, so that's happened sooner or later, I suppose. Just posted the last of the Christmas cards for my mum, and now I have to get a tin of green paint for Scouts tomorrow because we're doing tabletop Christmas trees, and I said I'd paint all the cardboard before I brought it in because it saves time and it doesn't make as much of a mess when the cubs try to do it themselves. Less fun perhaps, yeah, but easier in the long run. Yeah, I think so. Well, so all the other leaders agreed, well, bar one, but we didn't get any input, so unfortunately the majority has to rule. So that's that. I'm going to take you in and we're going to go and look for paint. I think I've gone from one pan into an even bigger fire. Look at that shade of green. It's almost sage. Why don't they just make sage? Seriously. Mellow sage, soft lime, peapod, lime. I need something evergreeny. That's kind of evergreeny, isn't it? Peapod. I might get that. I'm also thinking of, I have to repaint my room, and I've loads of white paint at home, so that'll do, but I want to put a few bits of colour in here and there, so while I'm here I might as well have a look at that. Right, that's all kind of one brand of paint. Satin, muse on wood and metal. Okay, that's not workable for me. Ooh, Scottish pine. It's gloss paint though, and I have emulsion paint at home, and you can't put the two of them together. Okay, I need to find something similar. Tester pots. I want to get I'm going to get tester pots for my room. That's a nice colour. Purple. Oh, I can't see it. Oh, I was just about to say I can't see anything, and they're all the colour swatches are in front of the damn things. I'm trying to look at the bloody tins. Got some waterfall. Yeah. And I wanted the green colour as well. Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm putting them in my pocket. I'm not stealing them. Right. Just I have coffee as well. Not coffee, a latte, but with no coffee in it. Anyway, matte, final, emulsion. This could take a while. Hey guys, just wanted to show you this. I've given up looking for paint in that shop. I'm going to head down to another one. But I came out and the sun was out, well, a little bit, and it's still raining, and it's made a rainbow. And you can kind of see another one just on the outside of it as well. So yeah, the sun has come out. It's nice. Well, it's a little bit nicer than it was anyway. So yeah, I want to go down. I couldn't find the right shade, so I'm being very fussy. I could find there was the right shade in gloss, but apparently if you put gloss onto cardboard, it soaks in and it makes it go very brittle. So it's kind of like, oh, okay, that won't work. Actually, I might try there's a kind of a cheap art shop in Northside. I might go and try it there. Other than that, I'll just get the bus, or I'll walk down to the other shop and then I'll go home. I'm conscious about getting home soon though, because I still have a lot to do. I'm blind! I still have a lot to do, and I'm blind. That's a little better. So I want to get home. Oh wow! You can probably see it now over my shoulder. There's one end of the rainbow, and you can almost see the other rainbow on the outside of it. Yeah, isn't that nice? That brightened up my day a little bit, if you'll pardon the pun. Okay, so I'll keep you posted, and when I get home I'll show you what exactly I'm going to so much bloody effort for. Right, dig with YouTube, comes the tattoo. I got paint sorted. I went down to the bigger version of the store that I was in, and that's the colour now. I don't know if you can quite make it out, but it's Paradise Green apparently, number 2. So it'll dry pretty dark, I think. We'll wait and see when I get home. I end up just getting it mixed up. So it's a big pot, and I'm kind of thinking it's more than I need now, but at the same time I have 20 sheets of cardboard to do front and back, and they're about a foot square in size. So I figure I'm going to end up using a lot of paint. Also, I just saw the cutest little dog, and it was tied up outside. Little because you can't bring pets into shops. Not really, anyway. And I was like, oh, it was just this little kind of terrier dog, and he looked so scared. I was just like, oh. Anyway, I'm such a heartless bastard. Which YouTube comes to talk to. Between one thing and another, I haven't managed to finish the vlog. So the Christmas trees went well. Our tabletop Christmas trees went well for the most part. One tip I would have: don't use standard thickness cardboard, because it's really difficult to cut through. We only ended up having to make 7, because only 7 of the cups turned up, but it took us about 45 minutes to cut through 14 sheets, because you need 2 for each sheet. So, but we were using a Stanley blade, and it took forever to cut through. You know, it was just really bloody awkward. But lesson learned. So you can use thinner card if you want. Other than that, I'll show you that when I get home. And I started this vlog on Sunday or Monday. I honestly don't remember at this stage, and it's now Tuesday. So I'll show it to you when I get home. Other than that, work is going well. We've had the first of our major Christmas parties. This one required, we did a treasure hunt with the younger group, with primary aged kids in, and we did a treasure hunt and games with them, and then we did a full Christmas dinner for secondary school kids, like 4th and 5th year, and I was stuffed afterwards, but so was everybody, and it was thoroughly enjoyable. One of them made a cake for us as well for dessert, and it was lovely. So I can now go home and say to Matt, look, I'll make the Christmas dinner. I probably won't like that much, because as I said, I have a habit of making a mess of the kitchen whenever I'm in it. I must show you the floor as well. If anyone is following my Facebook and Twitter feed, you'll see a picture of basically a modern art sculpture, a tribute to the spirit of Christmas and painting and art. Basically all the cards that I had to paint green were on my floor, and now the paint is on the floor as well. So I have to get in and mop that when I get home, because I haven't had time between one thing and another. But yeah, anyway, that's that. I just wanted to make this vlog. I'll put an addition in when I get home, and I'll show you the tree, and if there's anything else that needs saying, I'll say it. If not, I shall say slán go fóill YouTube, and I'll probably vlog another time this week with any luck. And I'll probably vlog on Friday for the 12 pubs of Christmas, so that should be good fun. Anyway, agat, agus, slán go fóill. YouTube. So I didn't get to do this last night, but this is my little tabletop Christmas tree. a bit on. It's not perfect because I just did this one. I drew it quickly and then stenciled it out for the cubs, just to explain to them what I wanted them to do. So, because the glitter glue took forever to dry, I only managed to decorate one side of each of the tree. Hence, there's this side isn't decorated. But the basic principle is you just get 2 sheets, cut one from the bottom up to about the middle, and then cut the other from the top down to the middle, and the 2 of them sit together. And then you can decorate them whatever way you like. So I might finish it. We'll see what happens. I'll probably just go and get a thing of glitter glue, a pack of glitter glue from the shop that I got them in, and finish it off, because it would be nice. I might make another one as well. I don't think I'll make a craft blog about them because frankly it's left me traumatized. I can't handle it. I can't take Christmas anymore. No, it's easy to do, you know. There are more complicated ways to do it when I was looking it up online, but realistically that's the easiest way to do it. Anyway, I'm just going to have a little bit of breakfast before I go out to work. In case you can't see, it is bucketing rain out. So I'll root out my waterproof jacket and trousers, and I was going to say maybe my hiking boots, but that's so much effort. Yeah, no, I'll leave them. I'll just wear my regular shoes. Oh yeah, I only have to go as far as the bus stop anyway. Yeah. Alright. So that's that. I'll finally get this vlog uploaded and edited and uploaded. So, gur míle agat for your patience. Agus slán go fóill. Agus Nollaig Shona Duit.